Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before you attempt to open an energy saver bulb, prioritize safety and planning. Turn off the light and unplug the fixture if you can. Allow the bulb to cool for 15 minutes before touching any surface. Open windows and ventilate the room for 15 minutes before handling the bulb. Put on heavy-duty gloves and sealed goggles before starting any work. Lay down a thick towel and work on a stable surface at least 1 meter from others. Keep a sealed container nearby to hold broken glass or components. If you choose to proceed, work slowly and use the right tools for control. Wrap the bulb in duct tape in an X pattern to contain shards if it breaks. Use a towel and pliers to gently unscrew the metallic base counterclockwise while wearing gloves. If the glass is stuck, place the bulb base in a jar and tap gently to loosen the glass. Stop immediately if you smell sharp fumes or see powdery residue that could indicate mercury. Seal removed pieces in the container and close the lid tightly. After opening, perform thorough cleanup using damp paper towels and avoid dry sweeping actions. Ventilate the area for 15 minutes and vacate the room for several minutes while air exchanges occur. Place all towels, broken glass, and contaminated gloves into a sealed plastic bag and tape the bag closed. Label the bag and take it directly to a hazardous waste or recycling center that accepts bulbs. Wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds after handling any components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.